I'm pregnant.
Rubina Dilike has just sent the internet into a frenzy with one unexpected Instagram story. The actress shared a video of herself wearing a sari, with dramatic music playing in the background, and boldly declaring, "I am pregnant." No context, no explanation, and no mention of her husband, Abhinav Shukla. Naturally, fans were left guessing. Was Rubina announcing her second pregnancy? Or was this a clever teaser for a brand promotion or a new project? The sudden announcement shocked many, especially because there has been no official confirmation yet. This has only added to the curiosity, with social media buzzing with theories and speculation. If the news does turn out to be true, this would be a big milestone for Rubina and Abhinav. The couple welcomed their twin daughters, Jiva and Edha, in November 2023. A new pregnancy would mean their third child. Rubina and Abhinav's love story goes way back. After dating for 4 years, they tied the knot in 2018. Fans loved watching them together on Bigg Boss 14, a show Rubina eventually went on to win. In 2025, Rubina also spoke out strongly about people unfairly comparing her twin daughters' skin tones. In her vlog on beauty standards, she said, "My one baby is little dusky, the other one is fair, and people come and compare, which is so bad. But I always tell them that my daughter is beautiful, forget fair or dusky. And I tell them, never bring this comparison in my home." Rubina Dilike has been a household name for over 15 years. She began her journey in 2008 with Chhoti Bahu and went on to star in hit shows like Shakti, Astitwa Ke Ehsaas Ki, Jeenie Aur Juju, and Sasural Simar Ka. Beyond fiction, she's proven her versatility on reality shows like Khatron Ke Khiladi, Jhalak Dikhla Ja, and most recently Pati Patni aur Panga Jodiyon Ka reality check, where she and Abhinav emerged winners. Now, all eyes are on Rubina, waiting for one clear answer. Was it a real announcement or a surprise twist? Only time will tell.
पर इतनी नीच बातें करना, आई थिंक ये बहुत ही उनको भी थोड़ा तो मतलब संयम अपनाना चाहिए.
A tragic plane crash in Baramati on Wednesday claimed the life of Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar and all 4 others on board. The aircraft, a Learjet 45 operated by VSR, crashed while attempting to land, killing everyone inside, including the pilot, the first officer, and 3 passengers. Videos from the crash site show the plane engulfed in flames as emergency teams rushed to the scene. The crash has sparked widespread mourning and political reactions across the country. One of the responses came from West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, who described the incident as deeply unfortunate. In a video statement, she said she was shocked by the crash and raised concerns about the safety of political leaders in India. She also referred to social media reports suggesting Ajit Pawar might have been considering leaving the BJP-led alliance. Banerjee demanded that the investigation into the crash be conducted under Supreme Court supervision, saying, "The investigation should not be handed to agencies because, according to me, they are all sold. Supreme Court monitoring is the only trust left for the people." Her remarks, however, drew criticism from Bollywood actress Kangana Ranaut. Reacting to Banerjee's comments, Kangana said, "We are all in mourning after such a major tragedy, and making such remarks at a time like this is not appropriate." She further expressed her disapproval, urging restraint.
देखिए, हम लोग सब बहुत शोकमय हैं कि इतना बड़ा हादसा सुबह सुबह हुआ है. आज पार्लियामेंट में सब यही बात कर रहे हैं कि कितना ज़्यादा सब इसमें जो है, और सब लोग जो है हेलीकॉप्टर से सफ़र करते हैं, सब तरीके की ये हम लोग भी इस तरह से ट्रैवल करते हैं. तो इस समय पर इतनी नीच बातें करना, आई थिंक ये बहुत ही उनको भी थोड़ा तो मतलब संयम अपनाना चाहिए.
authorities confirmed that the aircraft involved bore the registration VTSSK, and preliminary reports revealed 5 people were on board, including Pawar, who was traveling with his personal security officer and an attendant. The plane reportedly crashed into an open field near Baramati Airport during its landing attempt. As the nation mourns the loss of a senior leader and his team, the focus now turns to a thorough and transparent investigation into the crash. The tragedy has left political circles and citizens alike in shock, highlighting the urgent need for safety measures for political leaders and stricter monitoring of aircraft operations. This unfortunate incident serves as a reminder of the unpredictability of life and the importance of unity and sensitivity during times of national grief. Paresh Rawal has finally spoken up about the long-standing speculation around Hera Pheri 3, and his statement has cleared the air for fans waiting eagerly for the film. In a recent interview, the veteran actor addressed rumors that the third installment of the iconic franchise has been stalled. Paresh Rawal confirmed that Hera Pheri 3 will definitely be made, but he also made it clear that the delay has nothing to do with him. According to Rawal, the hold-up is because of a technical issue between Akshay Kumar and the makers of the film. He firmly dismissed reports suggesting legal trouble involving him. Reacting to claims that Akshay Kumar had sued him for 25 crore rupees, Rawal said, "All this that had blown up in between that Akshay Kumar has sued me for 25 crores rupees, that is all okay, yeah, it's like Kachwa Chhap Agrabatti." The national award-winning actor added that once the matter between the producer and Akshay Kumar is resolved, he is ready to be part of the project. "If it gets resolved between the two, I will sign the papers. It will happen 100%, he said. Paresh Rawal also spoke passionately about his iconic character Baburao Ganpatrao Apte, making it clear that Hera Pheri 3 without Babu Rao would not work. He warned that attempting to make the film without his character would be disastrous. "But even at the cost of modesty, I am saying that if they're going with the idea of doing Hera Pheri without Babu Rao, then it will be a disaster," he said. For those unfamiliar, the original Hera Pheri was based on the Malayalam film Ramji Rao Speaking and followed the hilarious misadventures of Raju, played by Akshay Kumar, Shyam, played by Sunil Shetty, and the unforgettable Babu Rao, played by Paresh Rawal. While details about Hera Pheri 3 are still under wraps, fans are hopeful and excited to see the original trio reunite on screen once again. TV show Rimjhim Chhoti Umar Bada Safar sparks major controversy. A popular TV show has landed itself in hot water, and this time, the internet is not holding back. The show Rimjhim Chhoti Umar Bada Safar is facing heavy backlash after its latest episode showed intimate scenes involving an underage female lead. The show revolves around a romantic relationship between a teenager and an adult. The female lead, Yashika Sharma, is just 16 years old, while her co-star Himanshu Avasthi is 24. In the controversial episode, viewers saw an intimate scene between Sameer, played by Himanshu, and Rimjhim, played by Yashika. Clips and screenshots from these scenes quickly went viral on social media, triggering outrage. One user wrote, "In which world is it okay for a 15-year-old to shoot such intimate scenes?" Another questioned, "Why is it even legal?" Many viewers asked why adult actors weren't cast if the storyline required such scenes. One angry comment read, "There aren't any legal females in the country who can act in these serials. Why are they getting minor girls for these romantic-led roles? It's bloody EWWWW man." Others pointed out that this isn't an isolated case. A user wrote, "EWWWW, stop sexualizing minors. I can never forget how traumatized I got when I saw Reem Shet romancing Sehban Azim when she was 16-ish and he was above 30. Several comments also urged Yashika's parents or guardians to step in and stop this. As of now, the actors, the production house, and the channel have not issued any statement addressing the controversy. The question remains, why are such scenes being allowed on television, and who is responsible for prot?